Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park field. Gonna take up the e-flite 1.1 meter, the RV7 1.1 meter sport plane, and one of my viewers was asking me about putting a 4S 3200 in there. Well, that's an awfully big battery for this little plane, so let's try it. When I get done, when I fly, I'll show you where I had her placed at. Okay, so we got right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder, and one crazy pilot. Well, I love that tail wheel. Tail wheel, that tail light. Yeah, I can already tell you she feels piggish. That'd be the right word for it. But flying fine, nice and level.
Takeoff flaps, landing flaps. Time remaining 4 minutes.
All right, not the best landing, but hey, we'll take it.
Takeoff flaps.
Try that again. Try that again without the flaps. Probably be a lot better. All right, that's a good looking little plane though. I mean, I love the paint on the outside of the prop, on the prop tips. About half to 3/4 throttle there, taken off with that heavier battery. Let's try landing her now. Not good, not a good landing, but should have maintained a little more positive speed in that and let her roll more level, or let her run more parallel with the runway before I let her touch down. Yeah, a little bit better there. Yeah. Plenty zippy. She got plenty of zippiness to her with that big old battery, that 4-cell on her.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
When you're landing, it is a constant, you are constantly adjusting your throttle. Because your throttle is what lands you. I mean, yeah, you think, well, yeah, you slow down, but your throttle dictates how good that landing is. So once you learn a plane and you get that timing down, then you can just grease them landings. But it's all in that throttle. It's all in the throttle. Whether you're using flaps or... There we go. Whether you're using flaps or whatever you're using. You know, we're going to go up one more time.
9, 8.
I got a much bigger battery. I know what the timer says.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
All right. Well, that is the e-flite motor off RV7. I'm running I went 6 minutes and 40 seconds. So I want to show you where I've got that 3200. Now, here's your wood there. I got it extends beyond the wood just by maybe a quarter to half an inch. And there's a pocket up there where there's a hard plastic ring that the motor mount. It's almost kissing that, but not quite touching it. So almost. So basically a 3200 put right there completely fills up the compartment without going into that motor mount cavity. You'll see it if you have the plane. And kind of almost centered on the battery as far as the strap goes. So, but you can see the real thing is right there where the foam is. You're in about maybe, there's a little lip there, about maybe a quarter to half an inch there is where the 3200 4S goes. And she flew fine. She flew fine. She seemed a little heavier, but that's to be expected. Let's take a look at our fancy dancy high-tech VO, whatever that stuff is. Oh gosh, look at my battery. Got what, 3/4 of a battery still? I flew for over 6 minutes. Probably could have flown for 10 or 11 easy. So yeah, that's fine. We're doing good. All right, folks. Well, thank you so much for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. That is the e-flite RV7. Let's put the hatch back on with Norman there. Norman is our pilot. He's the one that wears the ball cap. So, anyways, there you go, folks. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me that thumbs up. And this is saying God bless and see you later. Bye-bye.